Hi everyone, this is Matthew Scrooge. The single most important thing that defines your entire life is your personal productivity. You don't have anything else in life other than your own time. And the value that you create out of your time defines your life. And how much value you can create per 1 hour of work is your productivity. Very simple. And this concept is so transparent. I don't understand why most of the people don't realize that. To get a better salary, how do I get a better job, how do I open a business, how do I improve my business, and how do I relocate and earn a bigger salary somewhere abroad.
I don't know.
All the same questions, and nobody is doing anything about it. Everybody is trying to find some secret sauce, or to get talented about something, find their talent, or find or just purely count on the luck.
Oh my God! Wow!
And that's simply not really how the world is working. You do work and you create some value and you get compensation in return, because the world realizes that you've created some value. My personal productivity is how much I earn per hour of work. I started with $1 per hour back at school age, and now I earn around $150. Plus you can create a capital based on that, and the money start to earn their way into the capitalism, and the more money you have, the more money they tend to generate. They have their life of their own. What you have is you have only your time, and you need to spend it wisely. And what do I mean by wisely? I divide all of the tasks two categories: the operational things, the routine that you are doing every day, any personal, administrative or work activities that needs to get done, urgent paperwork, procedures, anything, but that doesn't bring tangible long-term results. And the other category is important tasks. The important tasks learning a new skill or getting some particular difficult experience, getting some really difficult project get done, and this kind of stuff, or reading newspaper to get some valuable insights and information, talking to your colleagues about some new adventures, all these kind of things is important tasks. So I divide those activities into two categories, and the best thing that I found out after 10 years of personal productivity adventures and research, the best thing that I found out is that you need to prioritize important tasks first. Every single day I have a pile of urgent operational tasks, something happened, somebody called, something electricity went off in the property, there is some inspection, there is some problem with the tax authorities, or there is some accounting procedure that needs to happen right away, and all these sort of things, the routine things that overflow your brain. What I do, I keep it away, and several hours in the morning I spend exclusively on the important tasks, and the more I spend on important tasks, the better it is for my life long. And another great thing about important and urgent tasks is that while doing the important tasks, the operational urgent tasks tend to flow away. Simply I cannot imagine how many times urgent operational tasks got resolved by themselves over the course of the day. You just ignore them for a while, and no matter how urgent they might look and 95% it's not really urgent, it's just labeled as urgent, and you delay it till the evening, and in the evening you, after your important tasks, return to the urgent tasks, and voila, most of them got resolved, and the ones that are left you quickly sort out. So this is my single best advice to you about the productivity, is that you need to find your important goals, important tasks that define your life in general over the long term, and do them first thing in the morning, half a day, or even for more than a half a day, whatever you can possibly afford, but do them first. and I bet you're gonna succeed in your life in a matter of several years. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and please leave some comments in the section below so I can appreciate your feedback and find ideas for the new videos to on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.